In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of peace can feel like a distant dream. Stress seeps into our lives, leaving us feeling drained and disconnected. We search for solace in fleeting distractions, only to find ourselves yearning for lasting tranquility. Join me as we embark on a journey to unlock your inner peace through the transformative power of guided meditations. Guided meditations offer a sanctuary amidst the chaos, a path to reconnect with the stillness within. They are gentle yet powerful tools that guide your mind towards a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Imagine being enveloped by soothing words and calming music, gently leading you to a place of tranquility. Guided meditations serve as a bridge, connecting you to the depths of your being. They help you release stress, reduce anxiety, and cultivate a sense of well-being that radiates outwards. Through regular practice, you can experience profound shifts in your mental, emotional, and physical health. The benefits of guided meditation extend far beyond mere relaxation. Scientific studies have shown that regular practice can have a significant impact on our mental and physical well-being. Research has revealed that meditation can reduce stress hormones like cortisol, quiet the mind's chatter, and promote emotional regulation. Furthermore, guided meditations have been linked to improve sleep quality, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and increase focus and concentration. By calming the nervous system, these practices create a ripple effect of positive changes throughout the body and mind. If you're new to meditation, guided meditations are an excellent starting point. They offer a gentle introduction to the practice, allowing you to ease into the experience without feeling overwhelmed. They provide a structured and supportive framework, making it easier to quiet the mind and access a state of deep relaxation. The soothing voice of the guide can help you focus and let go of daily stresses. The guidance of an experienced teacher can help you navigate the initial hurdle and establish a consistent practice. Their wisdom and insights can be invaluable as you learn to meditate effectively. To begin your journey, find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. This could be a corner of your home, a peaceful spot in your garden, or even a dedicated meditation room. Choose a guided meditation that resonates with your intention, whether it's reducing stress, improving sleep, or cultivating self-compassion. There are many apps and online resources available to help you find the perfect match. With each practice, you'll delve deeper into a state of inner peace and discover the transformative power of stillness. Over time, you'll notice a profound shift in your overall well-being as meditation becomes an integral part of your daily routine. The world of guided meditations offers a rich tapestry of practices, each designed to address specific needs and intentions. From mindfulness meditations that anchor you to the present moment, to visualizations that ignite your imagination, there's a guided meditation for everyone. For those seeking stress reduction, guided meditations focused on deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can be incredibly effective. If you're looking to enhance your sleep, visualizations of peaceful landscapes and soothing sounds can guide you into a restful slumber. Explore different types of guided meditations to discover what resonates most with you. To enhance your meditation practice, consider incorporating these practical tips. Establish a consistent routine. Consistency is key to deepening your meditation practice. Aim to meditate for at least 10 minutes each day, even if it feels challenging at first. Gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable and at ease. Create a sacred space. Designate a quiet corner in your home where you can meditate without distractions. This space should feel inviting and peaceful, helping you to relax and focus. Focus on your breath. Your breath is a powerful anchor to the present moment. It helps to ground you and bring your awareness back whenever your mind starts to wander. Gently guide your attention to the inflow and outflow of your breath. Notice the sensations and rhythm of your breathing. Be kind to yourself. It's natural for thoughts to arise during meditation. This is a normal part of the process. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus to your breath or the guided meditation. This practice of non-judgmental awareness is crucial. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Each session is a step along your path. Embrace the process with patience and self-compassion, understanding that progress may be gradual. With time and dedication, you'll reap the countless benefits of inner peace, clarity, and self-awareness. As you delve deeper into the practice of guided meditation, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner transformation. You will begin to notice subtle yet profound shifts in your life. Stress may lose its grip on you, and the constant tension you once felt may start to dissolve, replaced by a newfound sense of calm and clarity. You may find yourself responding to challenges with greater ease and grace, navigating life's ups and downs with a serene mind. This practice helps in cultivating a deep well of inner resilience, allowing you to bounce back from setbacks more quickly. The transformative power of guided meditation lies in its ability to connect us with our true nature, a place of peace, love, and boundless potential. By quieting the mind's chatter, we create space for inner wisdom to emerge. This inner wisdom acts as a guiding light, helping us make better decisions and leading us towards our true path. Guided meditation not only brings immediate relief, but also sets the foundation for a more fulfilling and meaningful life. It opens the door to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, guiding us on a path to inner peace and wisdom. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner healing? I invite you to join my free guided meditation course designed to help you unlock your inner peace and cultivate a life of greater well-being. In this transformative course, you'll discover a variety of guided meditations tailored to address specific needs, from reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing sleep and boosting self-compassion. Together, we'll explore the profound benefits of meditation and empower you to create a life filled with peace, joy, and fulfillment. Don't let the chaos of the outside world overshadow the peace that resides within you. Take the first step towards unlocking your inner harmony and subscribe to my channel to access the free guided meditation course. Together, let's embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation.